Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about a blog brought to you by Dr. Jensen-Kowski. And the blog is titled, When Should I File Bankruptcy? And I think it's a wonderful blog, and I think it's going to get a lot of hits. Bankruptcy is a tool that has been developed. It's actually built into the U.S. Constitution. It is a right that you have to invoke the power of the government. There's very few areas of the law where an individual can invoke the power of the government to prevent your creditors from coming after you and collecting from you. But debtors have that power and they have that right. And you should file a bankruptcy when you're at a point where you're living in the past. Part of the problem, again, with debt is you're living in the past. When this happened, when that happened, when my divorce, when the business failed, when I lost my job, when I lost overtime, when I made that foolish business decision, or not foolish business decision, but maybe a bad financial move like we all do. Like, if you're human, that's one thing. If you're human, you've made bad financial decisions. So don't ever let anybody tell you they haven't, because they have, because they're human, and we're not robots, okay? But you file a bankruptcy when you're at that point where you have to choose between protecting your family, buying groceries, paying rent, paying the mortgage, paying utilities, paying for gas to go to work, or protecting your creditors. When you're at that point, you file bankruptcy. No, you protect your family, because that's what we're all going to do if we're faced with that situation. So I love this blog because it is crucial to know that when you're at that point where you're deciding, do you literally buy groceries? Do you literally pay your rent? Do you pay your mortgage payment or service debt? You protect your family when the time is right. When you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm. You'll be so thankful you did.